What if I told you that you could make money by watching YouTube videos? If you watch YouTube videos, you can get $1 every 30 seconds for free. People from all over the world use this method to make money online by just watching YouTube videos. With this brand new website I'm about to show you, you might be able to make a lot of money. Whoever said that watching YouTube videos was a waste of time was a complete idiot. You can just sit back, chill out, and have fun while getting paid to watch videos. All you have to do is sign up for this website for free, go to YouTube, and watch the videos. So that's all. Easy money right away online. Nothing could be better than that. Before we go any further, I want to say that only a small number of people who watch my videos actually subscribe. If you find this video useful, you might want to subscribe and turn on notifications. It's free and you can change your mind at any time. So when I find a new way to make money online, I'll let you know so you can be one of the first people to use it. They make the most money, of course. Let's go back to watching the video. You must first have a YouTube account. I want you to go to youtube.com and sign up for a free account if you don't already have one. To do this, click Sign In and then create an account for myself. After that, fill in your first name, last name, email address, and password, and then click Next. I'll show you later how to use this platform to make lots of money and get the most out of it. Plus, it's free for everyone. So don't skip any parts of the video and stay with me until the end. The next thing you need to figure out is how you will get your money. Many people make the mistake of going straight to one of these websites that pays them to do different tasks and then starting to make money. But when it comes time to take their money out, they have no idea what to do. Still, you don't need to worry because I'll take care of it. The best thing about this method is that you can choose from different ways to pay, such as PayPal, Litecoin, AirTM, Skrill, and so on. But for me, PayPal is the best option. Because it's free, PayPal is one of the best ways to cash out your earnings. It can be used anywhere in the world, and you can get paid quickly and easily. So I want you to tell me in the comments section below how you'd like to pay. I'll try to make videos about that. Before we move on, you need to sign up for a free account at paypal.com. It's easy to sign up, and you can do it in less than 5 minutes. Go to picoworkers.com with me. picoworkers.com is an online marketplace where freelancers and business owners from all over the world can find easy, cheap tasks to do. This is the site where we make money. PicoWorkers gives you a lot of ways to make money online. You might already have a job and be looking for a side gig, or you might want to make a good living with this website that pays you to watch videos. You can do it in your spare time, and you don't need any technical skills or experience because all you have to do is click play, watch the video, and get paid. You can also do it. So go to picoworkers.com and click on the Freelance and Earn button. That will take you to this page where you can see how much money people make each day using this website, even every hour. Here you can see the most recent tasks that have been finished, along with the workers' nicknames and how much money they have made. We have people from Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Kenya, the Philippines, and a lot of other places, as you can see. People from all over the world, from many different countries, live there. Now that I've said that, I want you to leave a comment below and tell me where you are watching this video from, so when I make videos in the future, I can make them for your area. People are now making hundreds or even thousands of dollars with this website. There are people here who make a few dollars, $100, $700, or even more than $2,000. This is really cool. Now you can also see here the most recent withdrawal requests, as well as the payment method chosen and the amount of the withdrawal. So all of these proofs of payment can be seen right here on this website. This is how much money people have taken out. Like I said, they do have different ways to pay. You may notice, though, that this won't make you rich, so don't count on it to make you rich and don't count on it to replace your day job. This is just something you can do in your spare time to make more money. Now I want you to click Sign Up over here in the Freelance and Earn section to make a free account and start making money. If you do that, you'll end up on this page where you need to put in your real name and email address, make a password, put in your nickname, and then choose your country. As you can see, this list has every country on it. People from all over the world are welcome, so just choose your country. Next, choose I'm a worker, agree to their terms of service and privacy policies, and then click Sign Up. And once you've signed up for everything, you can start making money online. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to do it. After you've set up your account, you can now log in. Your brand new account will look like this. You'll see different jobs available here. When you have different jobs, you make different amounts of money. On the right, you can see how much money you might be able to make. Now I want you to switch this category to video marketing and click Apply Now. That will show you these different jobs. Here we can choose from thousands of jobs that we can do and get paid for. All of them will pay us to watch videos. Imagine that all you have to do to watch a YouTube video is click on the link and do it from the comfort of your own home. This is something you can do whenever and wherever you want and still get paid for. So how does it work? Just click on any of these jobs. Since this is a new account, you'll need to give some information about yourself, like your date of birth, your city, a security question, and the answer to that question. Then we can look at how much you'll get paid just for watching the video. What do workers have to do? What you have to do is this. You must first go to youtube.com. Then try to find these words. You'll have to type it in by hand. Don't make a copy. Third, find a video that matches this picture. You won't get paid if you use filters like newly uploaded or similar, so don't do that. Next, watch the video for at least 9 minutes. Don't skip it or else you won't get paid. The trick is to put the video on mute and let it play in the background, so you don't have to watch it all. And if you do that, you'll make money online without doing anything. You must also enjoy the video. You can see how easy it is. I'll say it again. You can just leave those videos playing in the background and it will still count. But since there won't be that many jobs that pay you to watch YouTube videos, you can also do other jobs or tasks if you want to get the most out of Pico workers and make more money. They are also very easy, so even people who have never done them before can do them. This is a microjob site where people will pay you to interact with their content, like liking their Facebook posts. And all you have to do is tap the button once. All you have to do is that, and you'll get paid. You can also get paid by going to a site after clicking on a link. That's the easiest way to do it. Even though the pay isn't very high, I think it's well worth it because of how much work it takes. If you want to make extra money online, you could invest the money you make with Pico workers in something you think will increase in value over time. They also have jobs like signing up for different platforms, where all you have to do is give your email address, first name, and last name, and you'll get paid. There are actually a lot of different jobs you can do. The best thing about them is that you can do as many as you want. You can sit down for a few hours and do a lot of these jobs. You'll make a lot of money very quickly. You may have noticed that some people on this website are already making a lot of money. See you in the next video.